I was looking yesterday at the art. I don't know if this guy is an art or a troll, right? But he likes to troll the billionaires, though. And now he troll doing it some robot dogs. Do you saw the video?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna share it here real quick for you guys. I saw this. I started cracking up. I'm like, what? What is this? And so you can see it's
Yeah,
pooping.
it's
It poops
pooping, huh?
photographs.
Yeah, but it's another like it seems like maybe some unitaries, the G1s, and then he put like the silicone faces for who was it? Mark Zuckerberg, Bezos,
There's a
who else
bunch
was
of
there?
them in there. I think Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Zuckerberg. A lot of people that are into this. I think Andy Warhol maybe also. Robotic pooping dogs. This guy Beeple is, man. I want to go to one of these events, man. We need to make it out to art. I don't know if you say Basel or Basel. Art Basel, Art Basel.
Bezel, yeah.
Either way, it's in Miami. Very cool. The exhibit's titled "Regular Animals." I don't know how regular these billionaire dogs are, but it ain't that regular. I like the look though. So these were Boston Dynamics style dogs, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
And so they had some high quality dogs out there.
Yep. I have been following this guy for a while. He has a lot of his art in Instagram, so I follow him
Mhm.
in Instagram. He was doing NFTs. He's also a crypto bro, so very good art. Though I really like it. One of his art, it was a bull and a Bitcoin, and that sold for a couple millions, if I remember.
Yeah. So, I mean, they seem pretty cool. Now, I mentioned that it poops pictures, right? So each dog apparently has like its own AI and it takes pictures of the crowd, right? And depending on which dog takes the picture and poops it out, it has a different AI model associated with it. So, like, for example, the one that Elon Musk dog, the Musk dog, it sees things in schematics. So it prints out like kind of a certificate of authenticity this picture. So each one has its own personality that does things. You could actually buy these. Would you be interested
Mhm.
in one of these? Okay, apparently.
Each of the faces. I can get that for 3K and a Unit 3, and I can just put my face there.
You're right. I know, right? By the way, those masks, they look like pretty high quality, actually. I mean,
They
they,
do.
they didn't look too bad. Here, look, you can see. Let me share let me share the screen again. So you got to see it. I mean, yeah, these look like some high quality masks here. And you see Bezos there in the background. You see Elon Musk there, kind of to the right. You see Zuckerberg. This guy is awesome. Maybe I missed my calling. I should have been an artist.
I have seen your drawing.
Yeah, yeah. I'm probably not drawing. It has to be something else.
You might be able to pull off a banana and it stick in the wall. That
You
I can
know,
see you pulling it up.
I could do it. I could do it.
I can do it.
Well, it's like the ultimate form of irony here, It's like using high-end robotics, what these people are building every day, right? And they're using AI to mock them. It's kind of funny.
Yeah.
But that's satire, right? That's a whole genre. I think it's hilarious. I loved it. It's kind of fun.